Hi guys, and welcome to the tutorial where we will explain how you can create an invoice in Stripe. So let's jump right in. To begin, head over to the Stripe website. Once you're there, log into your account and you'll be taken to the Stripe dashboard. This is where you manage all your payments, customers, and settings. In the top right corner of the dashboard, you'll notice a purple Create button. Click on that, and a small menu will pop up with a few options. Since we're focusing on invoices, go ahead and select Invoice. You'll now be taken to the Invoice Setup page. The first thing you'll do here is add your company details. Fill in the name of your business, and if prompted, set a password to proceed. From there, you'll land on the invoice creation form. The first step is to add a customer. You can either select an existing one or create a new customer by entering their name and email address. Once the customer is added, it's time to define what you're billing them for. You can either choose from an existing product or create a new one on the spot. If it's a one-time charge, you also have the option to simply enter the item details directly. Next up is setting how you want to collect payment. Stripe gives you two main options. You can either request payment, which sends an invoice for the customer to pay manually, or you can auto-charge, which charges their card automatically if payment details are already saved. If you go with manual payment, you can choose a due date from the available options or set your own custom date. Moving on to the delivery settings, you can choose whether or not to email the invoice to your customer. Most of the time, you'll want to send it via email, but if needed, you can turn that off. There are also additional delivery options like including a link to the online payment page or attaching extra receipts if necessary. Before sending the invoice, there's an optional section at the bottom for extra customization. For example, you can add a message in the footer. Something as simple as, "Thank you for your business," adds a nice personal touch. Once everything looks good, click Review Invoice. Stripe will give you one last chance to check the details. If needed, you can CC another email address to keep someone else in the loop. When you're ready, just click Send Invoice and that's it. Your invoice is now on its way to the customer.